Now paper number 19, IBPS Clerk Prelim, question numbers 1 onwards. Now 1 to 5, tell me whether it comes under the first or the second priority. Question numbers 1 to 5, first or the second, and definitely under the first priority. Now here in this one, question numbers 1 to 5. Now how many persons are there? There are some 8 people. Now who are those 8? PQRS, TUVW are the 8 persons we have, and they are living in 4 different floors of a building. Now 4, 3, 2, 1, they are living on 4 different floors of a building, and each floor exactly 2 flats were there. Now 2 persons are living in each of these floors. 2 persons are living in each floor. The next one, only 2 floors are there in between V and Q. In between V and Q, how many floors? Exactly 2 floors. Definitely comes under the first priority, multiple floors and multiple flats. Only 2 floors are there in between V and Q. Q lives below you. As Q is living below you, then Q must be on the first floor. Isn't it? Only 2 floors between V and Q, V must be on the top floor. Are you getting this one or not? There are only 2 floors between V and Q. మా వీకి క్యూకి మధ్య 2 ఫ్లోర్స్ ఉండాలి, 2 ఉండాలి. ఇన్ జనరల్ వి ఇక్కడ, క్యూ ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, క్యూ ఇక్కడ, వి ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. అలా ఉందనుకోండి, యూ లీవ్స్ బిలో క్యూ, క్యూ లీవ్స్ బిలో యూ. ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ హియర్? క్యూ లీవ్స్ బిలో యూ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఇఫ్ క్యూ ఈజ్ ఆన్ ద టాప్ ఫ్లోర్. హెన్స్ క్యూ మస్ట్ బి ఆన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్, వి ఈజ్ ఆన్ ద 4th floor, and you must be in any one of 2, 3, and 4. You lives on an even number floor and odd number flat. You lives on an even number floor, odd number flat. First flat, second floor, first flat, 4th floor, second flat. Must have been the 4th floor, first flat. Now you lives on an even number floor and an odd number flat. The next one, and T lives to the northeast of S. S is here, T is to the northeast of S. That means T is in the second floor and second flat, and S is in the first flat. Now T lives to the northeast of S, but not on immediate floors. But they were not on immediate floors. As they were not on immediate floors, can I have S at this place? No. If S is here, T must be here. Not possible. Then, and S cannot be here, and S must be here. If S is here, then in this case, S can be at any one of these 2 floors. But as here, S, there is only one possibility. S is here, T can be either here or T here, 2 possibilities. Here there is only one possibility for S. Here we have got multiple possibilities for S. And so first we need to concentrate on the first case. The next one, P lives on an odd number floor, odd number flat. P odd number floor, odd number flat. First floor, first flat. Third floor, first flat. First floor, first flat is not possible. Hence, third floor, first flat. Then V and T are not living in the same floor or in the same flat. V and T, they are not living in the same floor. T must be on the second floor, second flat, hence V must be on the first flat. If V is on the first flat, V and T are not in the same floor, same flat, hence where should this T? T must be here. Must have been there. Now we are left with the remaining. Then only 2 floors between V and Q. V is here, then Q must be here. V and Q. And Q lives below you. Q is living below you. W lives 2 floors below V. Now W lives 2 floors below V. W is here. W is here. R must be here. Clear? Now this is the final arrangement for question numbers 1 to 5. Now follow here. Then next one. Now question number 6 onwards, first or the second priority. And definitely first priority is syllogism. All his pictures are what? Images. All pictures are images. Some images are videos. Now, these are the pictures which are images. All pictures are images. And some images are videos. Image and a video. Only a few videos are beds. Some videos are beds, but not all. The next one, no bed is got. No bed is got, no intersection between bed and a cot. Then first one, all cots or pictures is a possible. All cards are pictures. Now this entire card must be part of picture. Possible or not possible? Possible. Second, no video is caught. No video is caught is true. Now to make this one false, can I write caught like this or not? And some videos are caught is true. No video is caught will be false. Then what is your answer? Only one. Now only one follows, that is choice 2, question number 6. Then seventh one, only a few dogs are cats. Now some of the dogs are cats but not all. Only dogs are cats but not all. Some dogs are cats but not all. Some cats are rat, cat and a rat. No rat is dove. No intersection between rat and a dove. Now here this is dog. And next one, all these doves are birds. Now the center dove is a part of this bird. No rat is bird, that is definitely true. Some doves are not rat, some doves are not rat is also true. Now to make these two false, the first one, some rats are birds. Some rats are but rat and a bird. Can I write like this or not bird? I could them. Yes. Alternate diagram to previous conclusion will be false. The next one, some doves are not rat. Now we need to prove all these doves is what? All these doves is a part of rat. All doves is a part of rat. Then now this dove. Can you write dove like this? No, because no dove is a rat. No dove is a rat means some doves are rat is always be true. Then what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2, choice 4, question number 7. Then eighth one, some mangoes are apples. Now these are the mangoes that are apple, mango and apple. And only a few apples are bananas. Now some apples are bananas but not all. This entire apple cannot be part of banana. All bananas are oranges. Now this entire banana is a part of what? Orange. And only a few orange are kiwis. Now some orange are kiwis but not all. Then all kiwis can be mangoes. Now this entire kiwi can be a part of mango. Can I write kiwi like this or not? Mango. All kiwis is a part of mango. Mango and apple must be intersected. Mango and apple is intersected. Clear? Possible or not possible? Possible. Hence the first one is true. Then coming to the second one, and some oranges are not apple. Now these are the oranges that are not apple. To make this one false, now we need to prove all oranges are apple. All oranges are apple. Can I write apple like this or not? This entire apple cannot be part of banana. Banana can be a part of apple. Hence, for me it is all oranges are apple is true. All oranges are apple is true. Some oranges are not apple will be false. Then what is your answer? Only 1. Only 1. And it is given in choice 3, question number 8. Then next one, question number 9 onwards. Now boxes, 8 boxes were there. They were stacked one above the other. Clear? Only 3 boxes between white and yellow. Now between white and yellow, how many boxes are there? There are exactly 3 boxes. Now if white is here, now white and yellow, 1, 2, 3, there are 3 boxes. 3 boxes between white and yellow and 2 boxes between blue and black. Now in between blue and black, how many are there? There are exactly 2. Now blue and black, there are 2 boxes and 2 boxes between green and orange. Now between green and orange, how many are there? Green and orange, there are exactly 2 boxes. Pink box is kept above it. Now where is this pink? Pink is above this red. Then now 3 boxes between white and orange, white and yellow. White and yellow, yellow can be above this one or not? Second possibility. White and yellow, there are 3 boxes. Then 2 in between blue and black 2, and pink is kept above red. And next one, 1 box is between white and green which is below white. And green is below this white, green is here. 1 in between green and white, green is here. Now green and white we have here. Then green and orange, there are exactly 2 boxes. Now green and orange, 2 boxes. And 3 boxes between orange and blue. Now between orange and blue, how many are there? There must be exactly 3. Orange and blue, there must be exactly 3 boxes. Orange and white are not immediate neighbor. Orange and white, they are not immediate neighbor. And black and red are not immediate neighbors. Now black and red are not immediate. Black and red are not immediate. Now these are the boxes we have. Then coming back to this one, start chedam. Now, green and orange, there are two boxes, isn't it? Now, green and orange, if you take two boxes, now here, orange can be above, and here, orange cannot be below this one. If you have orange below this, then more than 8 boxes. And green and orange is here. In both the cases, we are taking orange above this green. Ma follow here, green and orange, 2 boxes. Orange and blue, there are exactly 3 boxes here, orange and blue. Now in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were there. 1, 2, 3, blue must be here. Ma follow here, orange and white. Orange and white are not adjacent to each other. Orange and white are not adjacent to each other. Hence, orange cannot be above this green. As orange cannot be above this one, then orange must be below this one. Orange, green and orange, there are 2, hence this must be orange. Now, green and orange, there must be exactly 2. Now, here 1, 2, orange is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it possible? And this case is ruled out. Now we have left with only this. And between orange and blue, there are 3. 1, 2, 3, blue will be here. Orange and blue, there are 3. Green and orange, there are 2. Then next one, blue and black. Now blue and black, there are exactly 2. Hence 1, 2, black will be here. Now blue and black, there are 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blue and black, there are 2. Black and red are not adjacent to each other. And red cannot be here, then red must be here. Now if red is here, then what is left over? Pink is. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Black, pink, white, blue, green, red, yellow and orange. Now this is from question number 9 to 13. Then 14 onwards. Now 14 onwards it comes under comparison. Comparison first or the second priority. Comparison first or the second. Definitely under the first priority comparison. Now how many people are there? There are some 6 people. Now 6 people A, B, C, D and F. And each person has different height. Each person has different height, 6 people. Now 6 persons are there. Now these 6 persons are of different height, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this case, and F is shorter than C and taller than B. And only 2 people are shorter than D, D is here. The next one, B is taller than E, B is taller than E and shorter than E. Now B is shorter than E. The next one, the one who is the second tallest person is 5.8. Now this person, what is the height of this one? 5. A is shorter than C. Now this A is shorter than C, A is shorter than C and taller than D. A is shorter than C and taller than D. Then what are the possibilities we have here? A is shorter than C. Now can we have A at this place or not? A is shorter than C but taller than D. A is shorter than C but taller than D. A is here. Then if A is here, then who are the persons left over? B and E. Now B is here, then E will be here. Now we are left with C and F. Now C is at this place. Now F is here. Then who among the following is the shortest? Who is the shortest here? E choice 3, question number 14. And if B has 5.3 feet, now B is so much of 5.3, then what is the possible height of D? D can be in between 5.4 to 5.7. 5.4 to 5.7, choice 2, question number 15. Then 16th one. Now if A does not have 5.8, A is not 5.5, then how many people are taller than F? There is only one person who is taller than F, one, that is choice. Now question number 16. Then 17 onwards. Now 17 onwards, tell me what is the information we have. Now 7 seminars were held on 7 held by 7 different people starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Now 7 seminars starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, now Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now these are the 7 people we have, and 7 people, now these 7 different and days. 7 persons on these 7 different days again comes under the first priority itself, because there is no parameter added to this one. Then at least 4 people take a session before P, and before P at least 4. P can be here or P can be here, or P can be here. How many possibilities we have? 3 possibilities. And as many people take session after M before H. M and H, we need to have equal number of persons, M and H. Then next one, Z takes session just before S. Where is this? Z is just before S. S and Z must be together. S is and Z is just before S. U takes the session on one of the days after C. Now U is after this C. And only 2 people between P and M. In between P and M, how many? 3 people. Now 2 people between P and M. Here 2 people between P and M. M and H. M is second from the top and second from the bottom. M is third from the top, third from the bottom. Now M is fourth from the top, fourth from the bottom is not possible. Then now we are left with only 2 possibilities. Then next one, Z and S must be together. Now here Z and S were like this. Now in this one Z and S were like this. Sarpena? Then next one C and A. C is here, U is here, C is here, U is. Now this is what the information. C does not take the session on Monday. Here C is on Monday, this is ruled out. Now we are left with this one. And so first or the second priority. Definitely under the first priority, question numbers 17 to 21. Then 22 onwards. 22 onwards it comes under my first priority, coding and decoding. Now coming to question number 22 onwards. Now good and tasty food. Now good and tasty food. Now what is the code to the word pictures? Tell me where is the word pictures here? Now pictures is here, pictures is here. Now see good pictures only, only food. Now only is also common between these two, isn't it? As 2 words are common, obviously 2 codes will be common. Then what is the code for this one picture? Either HY or BT choice. 22 choice. 23 and KU. And what is the, and which word stands for KU? Now KU is there in the first one, and here KU is there in the second and third, and KU is there in the fourth. That means 1, 3 and 4. Tell me which word is common in 1, 3 and 4 statement. Good and tasty food, and now food, food and food. Now what is the word that is common? Food. As food is the word that is common, the code for KU is food choice 3. Then 24, then end. What is the code for end? Now in this end, where is this word end? End is here. Then 25 to 29. 25 to 29, there are some 8 people and purchasing different items, one after the other, but not necessarily in the same order. And 2 people between H and G. How many between H and G? 2. G purchased before E. Now, G purchased before Z, and only 2 people between H and G. Now, H and G, how many? 2 people. G purchased before E, G and E were like this. Then next one, F purchased before A. F purchased before A, but not before B means F is after this B. And only 2 people purchased before E. And only 2 before E. And now definite information given. Now out of these 8 people, only 2 before B. And where should this be? B must be here. Now B is here. Only 2 before only, and only 2 purchased before whom? Before E. Before E, how many are there? There are exactly 2. And 2 people between before E. Hence, G is before this one. G can be here, or G can be at the first place. How many possibilities are? 2 possibilities. Now, G and H there are 2. Here, G and H there are 2. G and H there are. G is before this. B, F and A, they have 3 people between D and C. Now, in between D and C, how many are there? 3 people. And C purchased before H. Now C purchased before H, and C purchased before H, C is. C is 3 people between D and C, D must be. And next one, B, F and A. Now B, F and A, now B is here, and F is here, and A is here. B, F and A. B, F and A, D and C, G is B. Now here again, my A did not purchase at the last. Here A is at the last, this is ruled. And finally, this case is ruled out. As finally this case is ruled out, now between D and C, there must be exactly 3 people. Now D or C cannot be at this place because the other person must be in the place of H, not possible. Hence D and C cannot be here. If D is here, then C will be here. Or if D is here, C will be here. Must have been the D and C. Then D and C, how many people? There are 3 people. And next one, the remaining. B, F and A must be in the same order. B is here, F is here, A is here. Then any other information? C purchased before H. As C purchased before H, C is here. C is here, D will be here. Now this is the final arrangement. Now 25 to 29. Then coming to question number 30. Now 30 to 32, all the vowels are dropped from the given series. What are to be dropped? Vowels are to be dropped. Then which of the following element is 5th to the right of 13th from the left? Now 5th to the right of 13th from the left hand. Now opposite directions. Now we need to add 5 plus 13, 18th from the left hand. 18th from the left hand without the vowels. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. Clear? What is your answer? 8. 8 choice for question number 30. Then 31, how many symbols are there? Which are immediately preceded and followed by consonant. Consonant, consonant. Then on either side of this symbol, you need to have consonants. Now this is ruled. Now this is the symbol preceded as well as followed by consonant. And symbol. And symbol preceded and followed by consonant. Now symbol, that's it. And how many are there? And only 2. Now 2 were there, that is choice 1, question number 31. Then 32, 4 out of the following means odd one out. Hash F and V. Hash F and V, hash and F, how many? Plus 2. And next one, hash and F plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1. Plus 2, minus 1. OT and percentage. Now O and T, what is the difference we have? O and T. O and T plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5. Plus 2, minus 2. 2K and R. 2 and K plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 6. Then what is the answer here? Choice 3, 32. The remaining plus 2 minus 5, here it is plus 2 minus 6. 32, choice 3. My next one, 33 to 35. 33 to 35, first are the second priority. Data sufficiency, last priority in preliminary examination. Mains, it will be under the first priority, and prelims, now this is the last priority. Now here in this one, distance between which two? B and X. Now, S is 5 meters to the north of U, S is here, U is here. S is 5 meters to the north of U, W is 5 meters to the south of B. Now, B and W, what is the distance? 5. W is 5 meters to the, G is 4 meters to the east of P. Now, P is here, now G is 4 meters to the east of. Now, with the help of this one, there is no relation between B and X. No information about X at all. 1 alone is not sufficient. Then 2 alone, U is 6 meters to the west of B. Now B is here, U is here. The distance between these two is almost 6 meters. And P is 3 meters to the north of X. Now P and X, the distance is so much 3 meters to the north of X. X is 5 meters to the east of W. W and X, the distance is so much 5 meters. Then, now, statement 1 and statement 2. Then coming back to this. Now 1 alone is not sufficient, 2 alone is not sufficient. Then we need to take the information between these two. Now X and W, W is here, X must be somewhere here. Are you getting the answer or not? Then the distance between these two is so much 5. 5 and 5, you are getting the answer. And so what is your answer then? Both combining. Combining both the statements, you are getting the answer, choice 550. And we are least bothered about what the answer is. Or rather, we are bothered about whether are we getting a unique answer with the help of these two or not. Answer వస్తుందా రాదా చెప్పగలిగితే చాలు. అందుకని ఆన్సర్ ఎంత అనేది మనకు అనవసరం. ఒకటే ఆన్సర్ రావాలి, వస్తుందా రాదా. Then the next one, question number 34. Now in this 34, Now, what is the code for the word air? Now we need to find out the code to the word air. Air is here, and pure water air is white, and 1 alone is different, 2 alone is different. Then if you combine these two, now if you combine these two, what is common? Air. And which code is common? JU. The code for air is what? JU. Then, are you getting the answer or not? Both the statements are required, choice 4. Then, next one. And 7 people are sitting in a cyclone facing towards north. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then who is sitting at the middle? Now we need to find out the person is coming at the 4th place. Q is second from one of the ends. Q can be second from this end, or Q is second from this end, left extreme or second. And only one person between Q and N. Here again one person between Q and N. And O sits out to the right of N. Are you getting the answer or not? Now who is exact at the 4th place? N. Hence 1 alone is sufficient as of now. As 1 alone is sufficient, we cannot directly go for 1 alone. We need to ensure whether 2 alone is sufficient or not sufficient. Then coming to 2 alone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3 people in between P and L. L sits second to the left of O. Now L is seated second to the left of O. Now 3 persons between P and L. Now 3 in between P and L. 1, 2, 3 P is. And L who sits second to the left of O. L is seated second to the left of O. And 3 people between P and L. Now P is 3 people. Done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here there are only how many persons? 5 persons. Then with the help of 2, are you getting any answer here? Majapan. Answer vachunda ravatledu. Ravatledu. Hence what is your answer? Only 1 alone. Only 1 alone, that is choice 3. Now this is 35. Anything else left in this paper? More number 6. Question numbers 81. Now 81 to 85. Now in this 81 to 85, numbers are decreasing at a very faster rate. And it must be under product or combination. Then what is the product or combination we have here? 8 and 40. Among LRS 8 and 40. 8 into 5. The next one, this is into 2. This is into 5, 400. Into 2, into 5. Now what is the number missing out? 400 choice. Then 82, 10, 12, 18. Majeshara, 10, 12, 18 and 10 and 12. What is the difference we have to? Now here the difference is so much 6. And next difference is so much. And 68 and 173. Any information here? No. Then 10, 12, 18. Now there is a number which is missing at the center. Number missing, and it is difficult to find this one because this link we are missing, this link we are missing. Then coming back to this. Now 10 and 12. 68 to 173, tell me how to identify this. 68 into how much? 2 and 10 ravali 136 ravali. 2.5 and ravali 68, 34, 340 divided by 2, 170. And that is, this is into 2.5 plus 3. Raskocha leda. 68 into 2.5, 680 divided by 2, 340. 340 divided by 2, 170. Anta calculation చేస్తున్నారు. Clear? Divided by 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 divided by 2, 2.5. Then, my next one. Ikkada em vasthundi 2.5 vachindi 2 రావాలి 1 and 2.5 2 1.5 1.5. Now ikkada 0.5 తీసుకుంటే 10 into 0.5. 10 into 0.5. 5 plus how much is 7. Then 12 into 1 plus 6 into 0.5 into 1. Next interval into 1 point. 18 into 1.5, 27. And 27, 7, 6 here plus 5. Plus 5 is how much? 32. And 32 into 2. Into 2 plus how much? 4. And 32 into 2, 64 plus 4, 68. Then what is the number we have? Choice 2, question number 82. 32 is the number that is missing. Then 33. Now 33. 5 and 130. 5, 130, 194. 5 and 130, what is the difference? We have 125. Now here the difference is how much? 64. 5 cube, 4 cube, 3 cube. Here 2 cube. Here 1 cube. 229 plus 1, 230 choice. Cubes are added. Then next one 84. Now in this 84, 3 and 1731. 1728 is the difference. 1728 can be written as 12 cube. Now here 3459 and 3523. What is the difference we have? Now 64 ekada 64. Now 4 cube, 12 cube, 6, 8, 10, 12. And 10 cube 1000. 1731 plus 1000, 2731. So when there is the 2731 choice. Now here the difference between the numbers are even number cubes are added. 12 cube, 10 cube, 8 cube, 6 cube, 4 cube. 85. Now in this 85, numbers starting with 4, ending with 4116. Then here 4 and 10, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 into 3 plus 3. 33 into 4 plus 4. Into 5 plus 5. 136 into 5. 136 into 5, if you divide this by 2, now 618. Plus 5, 685 choice. Done? Now this is about paper number 19, IBPS Clerk Prelim. Any doubts in this paper? Now you can leave it.